In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to enable Find My Device on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu, and you want to type in settings. Best result, you come back with settings. Go ahead and open that up. On the left panel, you want to select where it says privacy and security. And then on the right side, underneath security, find my device, track your device if you think you've lost it. Go ahead and open that up. So you will need to be signed in with your Microsoft account, and you also need to enable location settings. So if you select that, you have to turn location settings on here. And then by going back, you would be able to select Find My Device, save the device's location when it's connected to the internet, go to account.microsoft.com to locate it, toggle this to the on position to enable, and that's what you'd have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.